All right, folks. So here's the official Samsung case. I bought this case. This case retails for $35, I believe. I got it from Samsung's website. This case is a case that I knew I would probably like because of the texture. It should have a texture back. And I'm just gonna pop it open real quick and go ahead and get this going for you. Oh yeah, this is gonna be, oh man, yeah. I can see I see I'm gonna like this one because it's the best of both worlds. So you get some instructions in here. It's telling you to put the top portion in first. So let's move aside. And we'll grab the phone in a second. This is like, think about a fabric that is just so soft to the touch. Think about the Pixel devices, those fabric cases, but a much higher quality. Like I have them, and it just feels different. It feels really good. Lots of grip. It's really nice, man. Obviously, I went with this gray one because I have the white Galaxy Note. So it ports all cut out nicely right there. That's really sweet. It's got to be a little flimsy right here in order to get it in, because this is where it's going to bend at, and this top portion is actually hard. It's a little bit of a hard case, man. So you got some protection. So let's get the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and bring it in, and then it just wraps. Oh, son, look! Oh my gosh, this is just a win, man. I'm glad I bought this, man. This is crazy right here. It eliminates. Unlike other cases, it gradually covers in and moves into a sloping design into the camera hump. So it feels and looks different. Mostly it looks different. It's got a nice design into it. And it better, for $35, it's an official Samsung case, so it better be good. It better slope right. It better do everything right. This is a beautiful case. If you bought the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, I hope you grab this case or one of these cases. There's different colors too, so be sure to check with Samsung's website. But it's just a perfect fit. Obviously, you've got a slight raise there for some lip protection. Lay on the table design. Lay on that side. You got the branding right here. I mean, I would try to butcher that and say it, but I'm not even gonna do it. All I know is this is a very nice case. Kind of expensive at $35, but I like it. I knew I would like this because once I knew that this was the fabric, and this will be a case that I probably use the most. So I'll definitely give you a follow-up video on this after a week or two to see if it's changing colors, if it's getting dirty or something like that. That's probably what I'm going to end up doing for you. So anyway, I just want to do a real brief video, show you the case. Obviously, it works with wireless charging. There's no metal contacts or anything in the back of this case, so it's going to work with wireless charging. So keep that in mind too. This is really nice, folks. It is nice. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.